blue jean jacket and dark-colored blue jeans. The abducted children are Mayoli Toscano Herrera, a 17-year-old Hispanic female with black hair, last seen wearing a t-shirt and shorts. The second child... We interrupt this program to activate the emergency alert system for an Amber Alert. Be on the lookout for abducted children from Butler County, Ohio. The children were last...
People that their government is not serious about combating illegal immigration, which the American people...
Suspect has been identified as Bayron Tejada, a 20...
on dealing with the millions of illegal immigrants who are here now.
With black hair, last seen wearing a torn, faded blue jean jacket and dark-colored blue jeans. The abducted children are Mayoli Toscano Herrera, a 17-year-old Hispanic female with black hair, last seen wearing a t-shirt and shorts. The second child is Sarah Tejada Herrera, a 1-year-old Hispanic female with black hair, last seen wrapped in a purple blanket. Please call 1-877-AMBER-OH or dial 911 immediately if you see the child, the suspect, or the suspect vehicle. This concludes the emergency alert system message.
The cities, and the purpose is to